Hi students, this is AJ sir. Let's read a short story writing composition. The question: write an original short story that begins with the words, "It wasn't going to be easy, she knew, but somehow she had to confront him. She took a deep breath and walked into the room." So, beginning with this sentence, we have to write an entire story. It wasn't going to be easy, she knew, but somehow she had to confront him, that is, face him. She took a deep breath and walked into the room. She was sure that through her sheer presence and unrelenting spirit, unrelenting means not giving up, spirit, she could do this. She has overcome challenges from day one. She was born with this disability that both her legs were amputated, that is, cut off, below the knee, when she was only a year old. Next para. Her amazing spirit and drive, that is, the energy which pushes you forward, had always helped her to compensate for the missing portion of her body. So even though she was disabled, handicapped, that was compensated by the fact that she had the enthusiasm to just keep moving forward. Despite her physical limitations, she pushed herself physically and mentally to succeed. So overcoming hurdles can be a physical task as well as a psychological or mental task. Since her childhood, she had a passion for sports, and in her primary school, she had participated in numerous sports, including softball and skiing. Next para. Today in high school, she heard about a track meet for people with disabilities. She had been selected for the same, but she was actually bothered by the whole idea. Because of her disability, she had self-doubts. She had the ability to compete against able-bodied athletes. Able-bodied means who are not disabled. She was so talented, she could even compete with them in other sports. But this was a track event, and the meet was about it. And today, she knew that to defy this conventional public mindset, that is to go against this public mindset that disabled people can't achieve much, they should be helped in every aspect. She really had to prove herself. She had to prove that she doesn't require only sympathy, she requires opportunity. Next para. She went to the coach and saw him sitting in the room along with other members of the association. The confrontation started with him not allowing her to participate in the normal meet. But this did not lower her spirits. She did not get discouraged or dismayed. Next paragraph. She began expressing her views that the athletes are limiting themselves by defining their disabilities, but determination can force one to push harder to succeed. She's justifying her decision that she may be disabled, but her determination is very strong. She put in front her various medals, certificates, and looking at all her certificates and medals and her strong willpower, he just hung his head. Maybe he felt ashamed that he denied her the opportunity to participate initially. Instead of deterring her determination, he allowed her to compete with the abled ones. So finally he relented. He allowed her. He was convinced. She not only won, but also made a world record. This inspires us and gives us a message that true bravery is not the absence of fear, but the ability to conquer it. Fear is inevitable. All of us are scared at some point or the other. But despite the fear crippling us or trying to paralyze us, we have to find the courage to move forward. So, whenever you write a story, make sure that it's not copied from any movie. It should be original, your own ideas should be used. And try to make it an inspirational story. Now, this was very smartly written because, again, the opening sentence was, it wasn't going to be easy, she knew, but somehow she had to confront him. So we had no idea who could this him be, but now we know the him was a coach. So very smartly written indeed. Hi students, if you found this video useful, press the like button. Also, to enroll for my online lectures or online test series, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.